啊，你唔使帶兩部機。我啲去。
Cabin crew, arm your doors for departure and cross-check.
Only inflate life jacket when leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, simply put the right toggle down firmly or blow into the tube. It also has a whistle and the lights. 當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。需要充氣嘅時候，只需要拉松式手掣或者用充氣管吹氣。救生衣上附有哨子同燈。If need, our crew life jacket children in the precaution for baby emergency. 如果有需要，機艙服務員會喺緊急情況下提供兒童救生衣或者嬰兒浮床。If the emergency or hear the phrase brace brace after the position shown your safety card， 緊急情況下或聽見 brace brace。
Guys, first time. My first time. That's good. Ready? Susah dengan kailangan. My body.
That's why I
My body.
everything bit by bit. So I can change her lock straight away. And then I say, and then I change her lock. Maybe I will ask you to set it as see you can set because there is an automatic timer to trigger off. Because I say when you go this long time, then you need to double lock lah. Other time you need to double lock. I mean you're saying, yeah, but she won't listen. So I thought, because I spoke to the people, how come she got to go and, because I said purposely that we change this lock, she don't have to feel anything. She just tap, she go in. But now she got to go and feel a button to overlock it. That's wrong, I say. So she said, oh, actually you can set a timer to it will automatically lock on itself. Because why? If I ask her to figure out $200 to fix the mouse. I said, what's wrong with it? Mouse, exactly. So that you got to figure it out for her.
No, I don't understand the mouse. Every time I do that, I don't understand the mouse. The mouse is like something.
I don't understand either.
Anyway,
So that one you got to set it up for her lah. Because she keep on every 2-3 months go and call up, and then okay, find a way for her that she can remember her password. Okay?
she can what?
No,
She has to open the file.
no.
I don't know.
No, I said so that they not done. Try to declutter lah. So then
No
at least
carpets.
when your eyesight is not so good, you know most of the thing where to keep.
Yeah. Minimize
Firefighter.
and he can trip the floor. No, some person we went to this
Is that
Ah.
firefighter?
It's such a big house. I think I live in the same way they did
Yeah, a lot.
30 years ago. Ah.
That is an
You know, like, there's
advertisement.
no, even for me, I find that garbage like such a big deal, so heavy. So I was suggesting to them and dad, like, little things you make every day. But,
A5 security
Yeah.
service for
like, you know,
everyone.
like put something
It's a
in the
real
garbage
waterfall.
bin so that
Oh
like,
yeah?
you're taking the same garbage in my pile, but just
Body
put something
to
close to the bottom, then
Body
Raise it
to
up.
yeah, so there's only
Body
half
to.
Garbage is inside there lah.
Yeah, I mean like, because
But-
otherwise like Matt has a holiday, but Matt's not gonna live there forever.
Yeah.
But he's still there. He's still there. He's in Bulgaria.
That was
Then,
the whole.
like, you know, like, and all the kids are like, this is really very good to put in a certain
That was
Ah.
level where they don't have to bend and bend. Like,
Kelana
And
Jaya.
then the house is small.
in these 2 days, there's so much stuff in this house. I have no idea how they're going to, like, there's so much stuff in there at the same time. Like, I don't know, Matt and Mark will leave that house for a long time.
Yeah. And boys are slower than girls. Yes.
Yes.
So I tell you, you see, I say, when you were cleaning your sister's house, you see so much, and then you think, Alex want your thing, she don't want your thing one, okay? There.
Very good stuff there.
That was cool.
How are you, Charlie? You alright, buddy?
Hey, asking grandma.
Yes, Grandma.
I
Yeah,
asked.
by the time you reach home, she should be back from her lunch.
I tell him that grandma had a peace and quiet for the lunch.
Saving her energy for you, okay?
Yes. Peace and quiet for the lunch. He tried to asking you Auntie Chris, but he said Auntie Chris is talking.
Oh.
So she must have found out last night that it was a lunch, you know. She found it this morning.
This morning, because I'm already in her house.
Oh,
I'm sitting there, but I decided, because normally if I'm early, I don't tell her I'm here. Then she will come down, lah, so no need to rush. Lah, huh? So then she called me. She said, oh dear. I said, actually I'm downstairs.
oh,
So I said, why don't you go and bring the tag down for me? Okay? You bring the tag down, and then I will go and pick up Alex, and we will have lunch, and then I'll bring her back. Okay?
because she went up Uncle Lawrence and Uncle Vernon last night. Nobody mentioned that it was lunch and all.
No, lah, because Uncle Lawrence, they are not invited.
Oh,
That is David that they have sued. Okay?
Oh, whose birthday? Whose birthday was this?
David Kwok.
Oh, I thought it was Robert.
Then
Robert
she
Fox.
said-
Oh, Robert Fox had a birthday 2 months ago. A few months ago. Okay, I forgot whose birthday it was.
And then, because they are not invited, so she said, oh, actually her birthday.
I don't
We
know.
were talking to
Selangor.
one of the
JL1.
friends for Christmas.
Mm.
Lily's friend who came, I think, and she's a lawyer. And we're like, she does data center law. And we're like, who advertises and puts
Wow.
on your data
The
center?
nice decoration in the car.
Wedding.
Oh, it's a wedding.
Yeah, it's not normal. You don't always decorate it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a wedding thing.
But most of data centers supposed to be near to Johor, the south side of the
Yeah.
place, or the north side of the place. Because they are nearer to the sea, so usually they
See
get
water.
Ah.
But also usually like top secret usually a bit more.
Is it?
I mean not top secret, but they're usually a bit more discreet. High security.
Oh really? Ah?
Really high security. I mean, like, you know, these are places that can get
Yeah, yeah,
bombed,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's like more tech and they're very high security because the data is like, you know, so
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I thought people all advertise.
No, you don't advertise.
Don't advertise.
Yeah, like even you ask me where this Microsoft data centers, I don't know.
You
It's
don't
all
have
top
to
secret.
now. Oh,
And all the
really?
leadership are like sworn to secrecy, okay?
Oh,
because,
really?
Yeah.
May kasal.
Oh, actually,
this
sorry,
already.
it's not a funeral, not wedding.
What?
The wait.
Funeral.
Ah, oh, I thought was that. It's a worst funeral.
Oh, wedding. I mean, when you go a long distance, but traditionally they'll go by foot or like a horse or elephant and they will dance and dance and dance and dance.
Yeah, yeah, but
Yeah,
this one is
This is
nothing.
very far away. I mean, like, I don't know, if you could dance like 20 kilometers, I don't think so.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, well, I mean, usually they will
And then
land it
they
near
ride
the
some
house.
elephant or
They
something
go
like
from one
that.
house to another house.
Ah.
Yeah.
To a temple. I remember it was like a, must have been like a, yeah, maybe 2 kilometer walk from my friend's house and yeah,
Wow.
to the hotel.
Ah.
Oh, so the dance was 2 kilometers, you know? It's hard.
Wow.
Because there'll be the guys with the band is there.
Why you're not
Drum and
talking?
The drums and then like the, I don't know what you call it, a horn like that.
Huh?
Or clarinet like something they play.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Grandma.
House?
Hmm. I'm gonna pick up grandma.
I was gonna find Grandma Daddy.
Pick up Grandma.
Because grandma is getting ready.
Destination.
A destination.